Today we continued the 23rd annual Hike for Life at the Utica Zoo. We were joined today by Steve Wood, our Director of Insurance, Eve Vanderwall, who's the Regional President for Excellus in the Utica area, and of course our board member, Jen Woodman. We hope that you enjoyed joining us for this slightly damp, very wet day at the zoo, but a lot of fun was had. We appreciate your support. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip through Utica Zoo.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Woodman, board member for ACR Health, and I am excited that we had a little damp, a little soggy, but a great walk around the Utica Zoo today. We were introduced to all kinds of animals, zebras, hyenas, and the beautiful, beautiful lions. I think they were posing for us because, you know, we're special like that. But we had a great time, everyone that was able to make it out, and we really appreciate everyone coming out and helping to support the community services offered by ACR Health, especially our partner, Excellus. And we have a little bit of a welcome and a hello, and just a little bit about their partnership with ACR Health with our Steve Wood. So I hope that you enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed today.
No, you kick it off.
No, I think you should.
Okay.
You're the Excellus.
All right. So my name is Eve Vanderwall, and I'm the regional president for Excellus Blue Cross Blue Shield, and I am happy to be here with ACR Health at the Utica Zoo.
Hi, I'm Steve Wood. I'm Director of Insurance Programs at ACR Health, and we supply and help people enroll into insurance in 9 different counties in the central New York region. And I am happy to be here at the Utica Zoo with Eve from Excellus. So what we wanted to talk about for a few moments is that here in New York State, let's feel a collective sigh of relief that during COVID, New York State has taken care of New Yorkers insurance-wise, ensuring that you have access to safe, affordable, and comprehensive coverage. And one of our partners in making sure that happens is Excellus, who offers a variety of plans on New York State of Health and a variety of plans to employers and to private pay insurance and things like that give people access to doctors, to healthcare, to prescriptions, hospitals, and a plethora of other types of services.
That is correct. So we actually have facilitated enrollers that ACR Health knows very well, that enrolls people in our safety net products. And this past year, actually, we've seen an increase in the safety net products. And when I say safety net, that's Child Health Plus, the Essential Plan, Medicaid, and even employers that unfortunately because of the COVID times, they were unable to still provide health coverage for their employees, or they decreased the headcount of their employees. So we were able to offer them other products, other choices, and we've seen actually that was our highest increase is the Medicaid population. So we were happy to be able to at least insure people. And it's through partnerships like we have with ACR Health, it's a joint effort that our missions align, they cross over, it's inclusive, and it's really getting people the product they need and can afford so they have access to high quality, affordable health care.
At ACR Health, we have navigators who will help you enroll into insurance on New York State of Health, and that can be Medicaid, Child Health Plus, the Essential Plan, or the qualified health plans that are like employer insurance. I have people who will help you enroll if you have Medicare, the insurance for people over 65 or who are disabled, will help you enroll into Medicaid, which can be a great supplement to help you afford your health care coverage. I have the ADAP program, which is the AIDS Drug Assistance Program, open to people that have HIV, and that will help them afford their copays, help them afford their doctor visits, and help them afford their insurance from Excellus as well. And I have the Managed Long-Term Care Plan. It's called ICANN, Independent Consumer Advocacy Network. So if you have a Medicaid Managed Long-Term Care Plan, when we talk about insurance, we're going to do these mile-long names. But if you have a long-term care plan and you've had a denial, or you need in-home care, or you need extra hours for in-home care or modifications for your home, I have an advocate who will help you get that. And I have the Community Health Advocates Program, which is our catch-all that will help you with any issue you have with insurance. And then finally, we have Healthy Kids based in Utica, who will help enroll children into Child Health Plus and Medicaid. So it's a comprehensive one-stop shop for all your insurance needs. And come see us. We would love to help you. We've saved people hundreds and thousands of dollars on insurance, and we make the process easy for you.
And I would have to say ditto to what Steve said for ACR Health. He works for them. I don't work for them, but we have a great partnership for years and years. Our missions align, and we have supported them for 20 plus years because we believe in what they do. And it's been a great, great partnership. So between what they do and what Excellus does as far as getting people coverage in the product that they need, I would say call them, call us. It's a great partnership.
And we support Excellus with the massive network, the nationwide coverage, and the incredible coverage that you offer people. So we support you as well.
Favorite animal today at the zoo?
Favorite animal today at the zoo? What do you
Oh,
think? What did you
boy.
like?
I would have to say, is it the wallabies? Is
Yes,
that what it is?
the
Yes,
wallabies.
because they're so cute. They're like little miniature kangaroos. So I would have to say the wallabies, my favorite animal today at the zoo.
I think my favorite could have been the wallabies. They were interesting. I haven't seen them in person before, but I have to say I think the lions were cool just because they were showing off and roaring and all that stuff, and they were some nice healthy lions here, so that was very neat. I think this might be the type of deer that has little tusks, like little fangs that hang down. It might be. I can't really see. But I think this crane here is pretty gorgeous too. And beautiful song too. It's a beautiful, beautiful song.
Cranes fly. I heard they're pretty high flyers. Is that true?
Yeah, cranes can fly at a pretty high, a higher altitude than your like normal backyard birds, but they cover a big distance. You see those nice big feet are great for walking in swampy areas in mud. It keeps them balanced. It keeps them from sinking down. The wider your feet are, the better you are in the mud and the swampy stuff. Right. All right, let's move on. Up on the top.
Oh, wow.
So they're incredibly large. We see them in Syracuse around the mall, and you see them in other places. You have no appreciation for actually how huge they are. Now people will ask, why is a bird like this in a zoo? Why is it caged up? Why can't it fly away? In zoos like this, you're taking, particularly with the North American animals, you're taking rehabs, animals that have been injured that can't be out in the wild, and giving them a safe place to live, which is probably the case here too with these two. Unable to fly, unable to survive out in the wilderness. So here they are in a nice safe place where they get fed, they get shelter. We can come and appreciate them, and they're a great ambassador for wildlife. And big top predators in there, wherever they are. Look at his feet, her feet. And massive, massive feet. It helps him stay stable on snow, but it also has big claws. So main prey, probably mice, rabbits, woodchucks, smaller mammals, birds, things like that. Although when you're a predator and you see an easy food item, you're going to take it, like a toad or something. Well, probably not a toad, because toads are really toxic. All right, so you have 3 lions. There's a male. There he is. He's coming right by you here. So you have 2 males and 1 female, which is odd. Generally, you'd have more females than males, but look at him. He is in charge, isn't he? He is letting you know he's the boss. So lions are very different than other cats in that they spend time together, that they have a community. They're a communal, packish kind of hunters. The females go out and do the hunting, but the male does too. You can hear him. So he is definitely showing off. He's definitely letting you know he's here. Male has the big mane, the female is right here. His life is okay. He hangs out. He makes sure all the cubs are protected. And he mates with the females, and that's his job. The females are the ones that go out and do the hunting, they do the killing, have the babies, but the male protects the turf. Now this right here in the wild, this is about as much space as you would normally have for lions. They are just like house cats in that they spend almost all day asleep. So the bizarre thing about cats is behavior is very similar, whether it's a house cat or a lion or a tiger or a leopard or whatever, or a bobcat. They all go crazy for catnip. They all want to sit in boxes. They all fool around with stuff with their feet. And they're all fairly solitary, except for lions are the exception in that area. But if you threw a box in there, they'd probably go sit in it. When I worked at the zoo, they would throw newspaper with jasmine in it for the tigers, and the tigers went nuts for it like you would catnip. But yeah, cats are all attracted to super strong stuff, and they like to roll in it. These two males are having a discussion. I don't know what's up with that. It's very unusual to have two males together. So they must be brothers or father and son, I don't know. But they are very cool, and these are super healthy lions. If you look at them, their coat is beautiful. They have a good amount of weight on them. So they have been very well taken care of.